James Hughes, Chief Market Analyst here at Scope Markets, and this is your daily briefing. Turmoil on oil markets yet again saw US stocks suffer as the Dow Jones ended down over 600 points. However, stock futures for both US and European indices gained on Wednesday as investors continued to monitor the situation in energy markets and look to more positive earnings reports to help any upside moves. There is no doubt about what the major story is running into Wednesday, however, with oil prices continuing to plummet as concerns over global demand and a limited remaining storage capacity continue. Overnight saw WTI June oil contracts slip to around the $11 level, while Brent prices collapsed 13% to $18. There is very little that points to this story changing in any way over the near term. Until demand picks up, we are likely to see a similar depression in prices that will pass from contract to contract. Lockdown is beginning to ease in many places such as Spain, Italy and Germany, but it will take weeks for demand for oil to grow in those areas. Late on Tuesday, we saw earnings from Wall Street and tech heavyweight Netflix, and despite a miss in their EPS readings, the company added over 15 million new subscribers in the first quarter of 2020, doubling their estimations. The EPS reading came in at $1.57 versus $1.64 per share that was expected. There is no doubt that lockdown has been positive for Netflix as billions have been forced to stay at home globally with very little to do. However, the continued success of their originally produced content is what continues to push the company on and set them aside. Netflix revealed that the world's obsession with Joe Exotic in the Tiger King documentary had seen an astonishing 64 million households watch the docuseries since its 20th of March release. Italy saw a drop in coronavirus cases and is preparing to begin steps to release people from lockdown as early as May 4th. This comes as anti-European feeling in the country continued to grow over the failure to reach a substantial bailout plan. Currently, Italy have a stimulus plan worth 14 billion euros, while public debt currently sits and spirals at 130% of GDP. Today we'll see data out of the UK as CPI and PPI beat expectations this morning. We will also get CPI readings from Canada this afternoon, followed by yet more earnings from Wall Street, with Alphabet, the parent company of Google, as the major headliner.